Hey guys, today I just want to make a quick video on how I was able to get my Pinterest monthly viewers past 1 million viewers per month. As of today, I actually reached 1.2. Yesterday it was 1.1, today's 1.2. And honestly, it was not that hard to do, especially if you use the right tools. So just a quick background before we get started. I just want to say, for example, in April, my goal was to get my viewers to 750,000 monthly views, and I believe I was around at like 500,000 plus. I can't remember the exact number, but that was my goal by the end of April, and by the end of April I reached a million. So that goes to show whatever I was doing, whatever strategy I used really worked fast. And like I said, it was not that hard. I just used a combination of a app called Tailwind, and I used their Chrome extension. And because I use Tailwind to consistently pin the right content, I was able to skyrocket my Pinterest overnight. And also, I just want to let you guys know that even if you have a small Pinterest account, like you don't have that many followers, it honestly does not matter. I think I have like over 1,000 followers, and I was still able to skyrocket my Pinterest. So that was just an intro on the strategy that I use. Like I said, you'll need the app Tailwind if you want to raise your monthly viewers very quickly. I have a monthly plan with Pinterest every single month, so I do pay for it. I also have an affiliate link if you guys are interested in trying it out for yourselves. Actually, right now until June 30th, Tailwind is having a promotion where you can actually get a $30 credit if you click on the link that I have, which is an affiliate link, like I mentioned. So if you do click on the link, I will make a commission, but I just want to put that promo out there for you guys because I personally feel like it's a valuable promo. So that's until June 30th. I'll also leave you guys a link to where you can just try the free trial. And with the free trial, you can pin up to 100 pins. When I first tried Tailwind, that's what I did. I just tried the free trial, and then I realized that it does actually work. So then from there, I just do my monthly plan. So once you add your Pinterest to Tailwind dashboard, you can find the link on how to download the extension through Tailwind, or you can just look in the extension store. So once you're signed up and you have the extension, just go to the Tailwind dashboard. And as you guys can see at the home page, it shows you analytics of your profile. So it just gives you a little insight on how your profile is doing. At the side, there is a menu there under Publisher. You want to go to Scheduled Pins. And once you've added your Pinterest account to Tailwind, it's going to collect information from your account, and it's actually going to show you the best times to pin for your account when your viewers are actually on Pinterest. So this is probably the best part of the app because it deliberately posts when is the best time for you to post. So you don't even have to think of the best time. It just automatically knows based on your own profile what are the best times for you to schedule your pins. You can also go in and change the amount of times that you want to pin per day. So I changed it just so that you guys can see. Right now I'm pinning about 10 pictures or pins a day. I would say that if you want to build your viewers fast, you need to pin a lot of content at the right time. So like I said, you don't need to worry about the times because that's already there for you. Just figure out the amount of pins per day. And you guys, Pinterest is a website to share ideas, so you don't need to come up with your own content. You can go on Instagram or Google your favorite website, find an article that you like. You can pretty much pin anything that you want, and like I said, you don't have to pin your own content or create your own content, but you definitely can. So say that you're scrolling your favorite website. For example, I'm using Instagram, so I'm scrolling and I find an image that I like. Once you have that Tailwind Chrome extension, you just click schedule in the corner. Then from there, I know that this pin will be great for my nails board, so I just select the board that I want it to go in and press save for later because I can edit my pins before they actually go up on my schedule. Then you just close that small screen. Here's another example. Say I am shopping online and I found an idea that I like or image that I like. I love this dress, so I'm going to go ahead and save it. Press schedule again in the corner using the extension. That window is going to pop up And you could just press save for later, or you can add your board and info right there and press schedule now if you'd like. So I press save for later. Now I want to press see them now because I have 120 drafts. So these are some of my drafts that I have. And as you guys can see, I also have some images scheduled in my schedule already. And you guys can see a lot of these pictures are from Instagram, random websites, and also some of these images are repins from other pinners. So you can also use that Pinterest button, which is the extension, to repin from Pinterest's website. So that's another great way to add content to your schedule, into your drafts, without having to go searching for it, because all you need to do is just go log on to your Pinterest, see something that you want to repin, and just schedule it instead of pinning it right away, because again, it will pin at a right time. So anyways, I scroll to the bottom because that's where my latest saved pins are. So I'm just editing that first nail pin that I saved. So what you want to do is just add relevant hashtags that will describe your pin, and this helps rank your pin and helps your pin get seen by other people. So you just want to add relevant hashtags that you think people would search for or that's popular. So I just went and added nail art, acrylic nails, I think gel nails, that kind of stuff, because I know nails are very popular on Pinterest. Then there's no need for me to edit the URL because I got it from Instagram, so that gives credit to whoever posted that picture. So after that, I just went and pressed add to queue, so that added my pin to my schedule for today. Then I go ahead and do the same thing for the other picture that I have of the dress. And I have a lot of drafts because I post a lot of images per day. The schedule that you guys see on the right is for more than 10 images per day. I do have to switch that back to 10 images per day, but this is just a demo just to show you guys how easy it is to schedule pins using Tailwind. Also, when I actually editing my drafts and stuff like that, I do put a lot more hashtags. I like to use at least 20 or more if you can. I know sometimes it's hard to think of hashtags, but think of like any way that you can describe that image, because that's the best way to get your pins out there to have other people view it. Also, you just want to press save changes whenever you're about to leave that page. Just to show you guys another example, I'm going to try saving one of my own pins that I created. So I'm just going to go back into drafts, press create a pin, and then you're going to find your pin in your desktop or wherever you place your pin in your computer. Then when you go back to drafts, just find that pin. And then you want to do the exact same thing that we did with the last two pins. So you want to find the right board for it. And you also want to add your relevant hashtags. And because this pin I created on my own, this is a pin for an affiliate product. So this is for rustic wedding products. So where I can edit the URL in that little bar at the bottom of that picture, you can add your own URL. So in there, I will just add my own affiliate website or the affiliate link, and then I will just press add to queue. So as you guys can see, it added all the 3 pins that we did together. I added all of them to my scheduled pins. So once I press save changes, everything is good to go, and those pins will now go out whenever they're scheduled to go out based on the time slots that Tailwind is recommending to us. So as you guys can see, this method is super easy. It's not hard at all to schedule pins and have them go automatically, so that way you have your free time to yourself, because once you complete your schedule for the day or for the week, Tailwind will automatically post those pins for you. So like I said, you really don't have to worry about it once it's all scheduled. So if you're consistent and pin enough pins, especially when you're first starting, you'll definitely see your viewers rise. Like I said, you guys can try the free trial just to see if you guys like Tailwind. I'll leave everything in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys found it informational and useful. Please let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and if you guys have any questions, just leave them for me and I'll try to answer them as fast as possible. So thank you guys so much, and have a pleasant day.